Hello everyone, my name is Kimberly and I'm a scientist at Bayer. What does that mean? I love doing science experiments. So since we're all working from home, I've decided to engage two of my newest colleagues, my daughters Krystina and Kylia. Today we're going to do an experiment showing you that air is matter. That sounds like a crazy project, right? Because air is invisible. Girls, can you catch air?
No.
No, I agree with them. But believe it or not, air molecules take up space and have mass. Let us demonstrate with this project. Let's look at a simple way to prove it. Girls, do you still have the balloons that I gave you earlier? Oh, you can start blowing them up. Wow, the balloons are getting bigger and bigger. The only way that the balloons could get bigger is that air is taking up space. In our last experiment, I showed you all that air takes up space. In this experiment, I want to show you that air has weight. So before I get started, I'm going to ask my two new colleagues to come back in and join me again. Hi girls, how's it been going?
Good.
In this experiment, we're going to use this balloon scale to show that air has weight. If the mass in either one of these balloons change, then the yardstick will tilt towards whichever one is the heavier balloon. Krystina, could you help me by poking a hole in the middle of that balloon there?
Yes, I can.
So as you can see, once you poke the hole in this, it caused the balance to tilt towards the heavier object. How cool is that, girls?
So cool.
So there you have it. Hopefully today we showed you that although air is invisible, that it takes up space and has mass. Additionally, we're hoping that we showed you that although we were not in the lab, that you can still do cool science at home. What do you think, girls?
That's science.
Thank you and have a great day.